Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're going to explore the exciting world of converting your Tether or USDT to Bitcoin on the OKX exchange. It's a process that can seem daunting at first, but I promise it's quite straightforward. We'll break down the two main methods for converting your USDT to Bitcoin direct conversion and trading. Both have their advantages, and we'll walk you through each step of the way. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of crypto conversion. Direct conversion is perfect for those who want a fast and hassle-free way to swap their USDT for Bitcoin. This method is ideal for both beginners and experienced traders who value efficiency and simplicity. OKX makes this process incredibly simple and straightforward, ensuring that you can complete your transactions with minimal effort. First things first, log into your OKX account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, look for the Convert option on the platform. This feature is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to find, so you won't have to search for long. Click on Convert and select USDT as the coin you want to convert from and Bitcoin as the coin you want to convert to. This step is crucial for ensuring you get the right conversion. Next, enter the amount of USDT you wish to convert. You can choose any amount that suits your needs. OKX will then display the equivalent amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. This transparency helps you make informed decisions. Always double-check the details before confirming the conversion. This step ensures that everything is correct and as expected. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction, and voila! The process is almost instantaneous. Your USDT will be swapped for Bitcoin in your OKX account. It's that easy. Enjoy the benefits of your new Bitcoin holdings. If you prefer a more hands-on approach and want to potentially capitalize on market fluctuations, trading is the way to go. It offers a dynamic and engaging way to interact with the market. It allows you to set your own price for the conversion, giving you more control over your investments. Start by finding the USDT-BTC trading pair on OKX. This is a crucial step as it sets the foundation for your trading activity. This is where you'll buy Bitcoin using your USDT. Make sure to review the current market trends before proceeding. Next, decide on the type of order you want to place. There are various options available, each with its own advantages. A limit order gives you more control, allowing you to set the price you're willing to buy Bitcoin at. This can help you get a better deal. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase and the price you're willing to pay. Be precise to avoid any mistakes. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase and the price you're willing to pay. Double-check all details before confirming, then sit back and wait for your order to be filled. Patience is key in trading. This happens when the market price reaches your set price. Keep an eye on the market to stay informed. Section 4. Essential considerations. Navigating the crypto landscape. Before you jump into converting your USDT to Bitcoin, it's crucial to be aware of some essential considerations. The crypto world is vast and can be overwhelming for newcomers. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Without proper security measures, your investments could be at risk. Always enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on your OKX account and use a strong, unique password. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. This adds an extra layer of protection to your funds, ensuring that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still can't access your account without the second factor. Like any financial transaction, fees are involved. These fees can vary depending on the platform and the type of transaction. OKX has a transparent fee structure, so you'll know exactly how much you'll be charged for the conversion. This transparency helps you plan your trades better. Be sure to factor this into your calculations. Ignoring fees can lead to unexpected costs that might affect your overall investment strategy. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Prices can change rapidly, sometimes within minutes. Prices can fluctuate significantly, even within short periods. This volatility can be both an opportunity and a risk. Be prepared for potential price swings and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's essential to have a clear risk management strategy. Finally, your recovery phrase is your lifeline in case you lose access to your OKX account. Without it, you might not be able to recover your funds. Store it securely offline in a safe place. This ensures that even if your digital devices are compromised, your recovery phrase remains safe. Never share it with anyone. Sharing your recovery phrase can lead to unauthorized access to your account and potential loss of funds. Section 5. Conclusion: mastering your crypto journey. Converting your USDT to Bitcoin on OKX is a straightforward process, whether you choose the direct conversion or trading method. Each method has its advantages, so choose the one that best suits your needs and risk tolerance. Remember to prioritize security, understand the fee structure, be mindful of market volatility, and safeguard your recovery phrase. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to mastering your crypto journey. Happy trading!